Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. In today's video we are going to talk about a gemstone that is full of colors, energy and mystery, which is called as tourmaline. This stone has been admired for centuries, not just for its beauty but also for its spiritual and healing properties. Stay with me until the end of this video because I will share everything: its history, religious significance, who can wear it, scientific details, astrological impact, and which color of tourmaline has what effect on your life. So I start my video and I have a special request. The viewers who are new to my channel, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel so my upcoming videos will regularly comes to you. So I start this video. In the Chinese culture, tourmaline was considered a stone of luck and prosperity. In African tribes, it was used for protection against evil spirits and negative energies. In ancient Egypt, people believed that tourmaline traveled from the center of the earth and absorbed all the colors of the rainbow, which is why it comes in so many shades. In Europe, kings and royal wore it in their crowns and jewelry as a symbol of power. In Islamic history, tourmaline is not directly mentioned in Ahadith, Quran, or sayings of Ahl Bayt wasalam, like Akik or Firoza and other precious stones. However, Islam encourages the uses of natural stone if they bring health, positivity, and no harm. Astrologers often associate tourmaline with the certain zodiac signs and planetary influences. Different colors of tourmaline are linked into different planets and energies. Black tourmaline, protection from negative energy and jealousy and black magic. Green tourmaline, prosperity, growth and physical healing. Pink tourmaline, love, compassion and harmony in relationship, while blue tourmaline, mental peace and creative thinking. Red tourmaline, strength, confidence and emotional stability, while the multicolored tourmaline, which is also called as watermelon tourmaline, balance between the mind and the heart, family bonding. If someone's astrological chart shows issues with the relationship, finances or spiritual imbalance, tourmaline can be beneficial. But if the planet associated with a certain color is already very strong in a chart, wearing it without guidance might create imbalance. Let's talk about its scientific and chemical information. Chemical formula is Na, sodium, calcium, lithium, magnesium, aluminum, ferrum, magnesium, BO3, Si6, O18 and OH4. The crystal system is hexagonal, while the MOHS hardness is 7 to 7.5, which is fairly hard and durable. Specific gravity is 3.0 to 3.2. Special properties: tourmaline pyroelectric, produces electric charge with the heat, and piezoelectric, produce charge with the pressure, which makes it useful in scientific instruments as well. Astrologers recommend wearing different tourmaline colors on different days. Black tourmaline, which is associated with Saturn, should be wear on Saturday. Green and pink tourmaline should be wear on Friday, linked with Venus and love and prosperity. Black tourmaline Monday for peace and intuition. Let's talk about the countries of origin of tourmaline. Tourmaline is found in many countries, but the major sources are Brazil, Afghanistan, Mozambique, Sri Lanka and United States. While the Brazil is the largest producer, Afghanistan and Pakistan especially find green and blue tourmalines. Mozambique, Nigeria are in Africa. They produce African tourmaline, while Sri Lanka produces Ceylon tourmaline, and in United States, they are found from California and Maine. The rarest and the most expensive variety is Paraiba tourmaline, discovered in Brazil. Its glowing neon blue-green color comes from the traces of copper. Paraiba tourmaline can sell for tens of thousands of dollars per carat, making it one of the world's most valuable gemstones. Tourmaline is truly a gemstone of many colors and powers. It has been used for protection, prosperity, love and healing and balance across cultures for centuries. While Islam doesn't specifically mention it, it is a natural gift of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that can be worn for prosperity and well-being. If you are interested in wearing tourmaline, always consider a gemologist or an astrologist to find the right color according to your birth chart. You can contact me over WhatsApp. If you are having problems in your life, I will provide you the spiritual and the holistic solution for that. If you want to make your birth chart calculation, you can also contact, or if you want to get precious stones in a rough and raw form, you can also contact me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and for more authentic gemstones and knowledge. I hope you will like this video. Till my next video, take care of yourself. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajal farajahum.